Let's take a look at income position bonus, the fifth way to get paid with the NewAge compensation plan. So income position bonus means you earn for building and leading new teams deep. With income position bonus, you get paid exponentially for optimizing your income position. We'll have a look at what that means in a moment. So 2% of worldwide sales points are set aside into a bonus pool. And every time you have an income position optimized, so that's 2 lines with at least 13,334 total points, you earn shares of the income position bonus pool. Let's take a look at optimizing your income position. So when your sales volume reaches 13,334 on 2 or more lines, your income position optimizes. So we can see here line 1 and line 2 both have 13,334. So your income position, your business, optimizes in this week because you've got 2 lines with 13,334. And the benefit that you receive for optimizing your income position is it produces a new re-entry. So that's an additional line that you get to add to your business to continue to grow. With the income position bonus, the more income positions you have optimized in a week, the more shares you get exponentially. First, you get 2 shares. Second, you get 4 plus 2 from your first. Third gets you 6 plus 4 from your second and 2 from your first. Let's have a look what that looks like. Each income position share is roughly around $250. So when you optimize your first income position, you get 2 shares, which is $500. When you optimize 2 income positions, that's $1,500. 3 is $3,000, 4 is $5,000, and so on and so forth. So the more you grow your business, the more income positions you have optimized, the more earning capacity you have with the income position bonus. Growing sales, adding new income positions throughout your team, and enjoying the exponential income of the income position bonus is one of the most powerful ways to achieve a residual exponential income.